Uncle, you want it?
Call and give me.
Wait, I actually called. I
Why?
have her number only on Insta. She won't use Insta. I'll call from here.
No, it's on, right? I can't put that on call now. Come. Ananya has come. Ananya, very much late, Ananya. 8:20. Yeah, remove your books, guys. Good morning, guys. Who all are there on the feed? Yeah. So where were we yesterday?
Exam.
No. That was practice session. So multiple choice questions. 1, 2, in one. A, B, C, D.
She'll solve.
You start. She just woke up. Come. The very first one. Come on, guys. We should do it in 5 minutes.
Page number.
64. Yes. No, before that. Exercise 5E. So what is the value of x?
I know how to do this.
You tell me. Is this a quadratic equation?
X bar is equal to y.
Exactly. Do it. Solve for y. You will get. Then you solve for x. There's no problem. Come on. Second problem, Ananya. How do you think you can do it? Yeah. So solve it by splitting. How about this one, Ananya? We can make the rocket later, but B part, B1. Yeah, go ahead.
Splitting the middle.
Yeah, split the middle term. When you multiply, you should get what?
4
And when you add, what you should get? See, Sid.
minus.
Yes, I have been telling you 100 times. You need to think yourself. You cannot be reminded infinitely number of times. You have to pick up this habit that you have to consider the sign. Like B.
So can you dictate the question?
Dictate the question. Okay.
Is this correct?
1 by x. Yes. Plus 1 by x minus 5 is equal to 3 by 10. Okay. So who all are there on the feed, guys? Anshuman, your presence won't be counted if you just log in and don't respond.
Done.
Wait, don't celebrate yet. No, y is equal to 1, but y is equal to x square. You have to find the value of x. Okay.
Will take more 2 minutes.
No. How so? No, it is
No,
not.
I can't.
It is not. It is
I-
multiplication. It is multiplication. No, you multiply. Yeah. Now? No, keep the bracket as it is. Yeah. You don't have to put multiply sign. It is understood. When you do this way, it is understood. Okay, is equal to 3 by 10. You add whatever is there, you clear the numerator. X plus x. Numerator. 1x plus 1x.
Yes.
2x minus y.
Minus 3x.
Sorry?
Minus 3x.
Where is minus 3x?
That's minus 5.
2x minus 5 is not minus 3x. See, that 5 should have an x part component. Otherwise, it will not work. You understood that, right? Okay. Divide x minus 5. No, just leave it as it is at the moment. Is equal to 3 by 10. Now, just take this here and
I
there.
guess I did it.
It was
Take care. I don't want the denominator. So, what should I do?
x plus the 2.
Yes.
Everything.
Sorry?
Everything.
Everything naturally, because I don't want anything in the denominator. X square is equal to 1. No, what is this? No, x square is equal to, wait. In this case, x square is equal to 1.
So what should I write here into?
Wait, x square is equal to 1. So x is equal to
Root of
root of plus or minus root of 1.
1.
So 1 plus or minus 1, yeah. Okay, so yeah. So
What should I multiply?
you tell me, what should we multiply on both the sides so that denominator just vanishes?
I'm getting the same answer.
X minus 5.
You're not supposed to substitute there. Just leave it. That is the value of x. You're supposed to find the value of x. No, see. You found the value of y, right? I want x. So you found when y is equal to 1, x is equal to what? And when y is equal to 4, x is equal to
You
what?
not substitute.
Substitute, naturally it will be 0 only, no? Because those are the values. Yeah. So what do you do? See. Think and tell. Spend some time. If I give you the answer again, you will be stuck. What should we multiply? If I don't want 10 on the right hand side, what should I do?
But then if I multiply this side with 10, if I have to do for that
Then-
side too.
You naturally
But then there's nothing 10 there.
you have to doesn't matter, it will multiply, and here it will cancel. That's all.
But I want to clear this, not this.
Both you have to clear.
Yeah.
So see, then in that case you multiply x minus 5 on both the sides. Here it will be cleared, there you will get x minus 5. And multiply 10 also.
Can I?
Yeah, of course you can. 10 you put your 10x, and there also. No, 10x, 10 into x whatever into 10. Yeah. Now whatever is left,
What will be the sign? 10?
open the bracket.
Okay. Yeah.
Huh.
Okay.
Okay.
The brackets also.
No, why we will put a bracket is because this entire thing has to be multiplied with each, but x is only one, so bracket is not needed. Okay, you put this way here and then you continue. So Anshuman, are you there?
I got this X.
Hmm? Just give me some side. 20x minus 50 is equal to 3x square minus. Are you sure when you multiply this, this is what you'll get? No. When I ask you, you think again.
So right now 3x, right?
Yes.
So 3x into x.
Is 3x square correct? Second part. Yeah, that's the one.
Then I have to answer.
Yeah, so now it's a quadratic equation. Now bring all the terms on one side is equal to 0 on the other side.
There will be 4 terms.
No, there won't be any 4 terms. This is 20x, 15x. They will combine together and make one term.
Um, add it, right?
Sorry?
Add it, right?
No. First you bring everything on the one side and then you do what you want to do. See, 3x square, no, don't make it negative. Take everything on that side. Better. Understood? Yeah. Right. 3x square is equal to 0. Is equal to 0. Yeah. Okay. So one second. Okay, that is correct. You are doing the right thing. So when you, so what does that mean signify? Minus 35 and 150?
I need to find 2 digits.
Two numbers, okay.
I'm adding this and then
Help her. Give her two numbers, which when you multiply will give you 150, and when you add, she'll get minus 35.
30 into 5.
Try 30 into 5 is correct. Give it a shot, but check the signs.
And 30 plus 5.
Wait. Let her do it.
Can you catch it?
It's all crumbled. Yeah. Okay. Minus 30 minus 5 is minus 35. Okay. Split it accordingly. Guys, on the feed, I hope you are able to get what we are doing here. It is not plus 5x, it is minus 5x. Then only you'll get minus 35. So Sid, the next problem is yours. It won't come that far. Yeah. Okay.
Is Madhu coming today?
No, no classes. I have some work, so no classes at 10. But yeah, it may happen in the evening, or maybe a little later, or maybe a little early.
After our class.
It will not happen. I have some work.
After 5 o'clock.
Dot. It's multiplication. Yeah, is equal to 0. 5 o'clock. It's there for you guys. Yes. So then, or so Sid, the next problem. How are you going to do it? Is equal to 0. See, in school, teacher may help you with a simpler method, but I am making you do it using the normal method because you guys need to be more seasoned solving this kind of problems. Okay.
Okay. 5 by
5 by 3 and 10. Correct. So B, what is the B option? Did you understand this? Can you write it? Can you copy both of them?
just MCQ.
That is MCQ, but you'll still need to solve. There may be a simpler way of solving this. Your teacher will teach you, but for me, you need to be able to solve this, okay? Because it may also turn up for 2-3 marks. Okay?
2 marks.
Yeah. See, if you want to pass, even 1 mark is important, and then maybe you can go to 60s and 70s, right? So Ananya, you check the answer. Check the answer, and Sid, you get ready for the third problem.
I'm ready from when I was born.
Yes, but did you write this and that?
No.
Then see, if you don't write this, naturally now you're going to spend 5 minutes. If you had finished this and this, if you're just behind her, now you could have straight away gone. Yeah, you understood, right?
They have given 10.
10, right? And 10 is the answer. X is equal to 10.
One of the other one.
One of the answer he is asking. If you read the problem, you'll see. The other answer is there, but the sign is changed. Hey, you guys are not eating chips by any chance, right? And throwing the covers.
No.
Sure, right? Because some neighbors complained. So that's why I was telling them no. You guys don't eat because I don't see you guys eating chips. At most, I've seen you eating TikTok. Tic Tac, correct? No, that's all. So in case you want to eat chips and you bring there is a dustbin here. You put it here, okay? So which of the following is correct? Okay. Can you solve this, guys? Quickly. Don't waste time because I want to start the next chapter today. I am thinking remainder theorem and factor theorem.
What is that?
Do you know a remainder? You know a divisor?
Yes.
You know dividend? Not the shares and dividend wala. And do you know the quotient? Then you will have no trouble.
Yes.
Do you know how to divide a polynomial with x raised to 4 plus 5x plus x cube divided by x minus a? Do you know how to do that?
What's a polynomial?
Looks like it's going to be a long way. Okay, first you finish writing this.
Polynomials are 4 terms.
No. See, monomial 1 term, binomial 2 terms, trinomial 3 terms, right? And polynomial, I think it is more than? Yeah, more than 3 or more than 2, something like that. So anything which is, they are all polynomials. So first I have to teach you polynomial division. This was taught to you last year.
I hope so.
No, there is no hoping. It was. Okay. So Anisha, I think now it should be fine. So Ananya, you understood this, right? Instead of x,
Assume
just assume and make it a quadratic in y, solve it, then substitute the value of x and get the answer.
are
Okay.
we running test cases also?
See, we are not doing it. I am expecting you to do it. Okay. But we'll do it in the revision session. But you should have a thought process. Okay. You should try to solve it yourself now. Okay. Because I can only help you to a particular extent, beyond which you have to walk the path. Hmm.
Why does this look so lengthy?
It is not.
Because
When you're copying without thinking, it looks like this. You're done? Do it without thinking, without copying. Hmm? Sorry?
one value is
Which one? 1x, huh?
yeah.
Doesn't matter. See, 1x is same as 1.
No, the other one. One bracket
This step
x minus y. It was
here.
yeah, cross multiply.
Okay.
And it x minus y. I had one x
1 is here, as you can see. Just in case. But it doesn't matter. X minus 5 is same as 1x minus 5. Siddharth, are you done? Come on, Siddharth. We have a lot to go. Are you done with that side? Okay. Siddharth, are you done with that side?
Yes.
Oh, okay. See, the other guys have finished 15 chapters. We are starting with 16 chapters. And by Tuesday, we
Starting with
16th chapter. And in the coming, maybe by Monday, by Monday, by end of day, by end of Monday, we would have completed 20 chapters. Sorry. So you see, I want you to be with them. If you take time in copying, then it becomes difficult. But also, I don't want to hurry up, because if I hurry up, we'll complete, but you won't gain. Okay. So let's not do it. So my target is at least 12 chapters by the time your school starts, and that's a good thing. 25 chapters are there. I want to finish 12. We have completed. I think this is seventh or eighth. Seventh. Today will seventh.
Today if we started in chapter 8.
Eighth chapter we start. It's not completion of eighth chapter. Did we finish?
Half.
Half nahi yaar. We want full completion. Are you revising physics? Did you revise or you just did not open the book afterwards?
I revised 3 days
Okay, please revise every day. Revision has magical powers.
for 20.
Ananya, revision has magical powers. You may think it is useless, it is a waste of time. It is not. It will help you develop your command over the subject. Are you done with this side?
I'm ready, sir.
Please do it. No, don't see here, do it yourself. Okay, because if you see, you came all the way nicely here. See, you solved this. No, this is the 10th standard part. This is quadratic equation solving is 10th standard. Yes or no? You solved this beautifully, but you struggled here. See, this is 7th, 8th standard maths. That's where I am also stuck with you guys. You need to develop. You need to be able to solve. What I do to the other batches, I tell them, okay, you understood, right? So they'll start immediately. They'll start solving. But if you make a mistake there, everything else is gone here. You understood why basics are important? That's the reason why basics are important. Because if I give this to some 8th standard student, he will solve this, but he'll be stuck here after this. What to do? What to do? So if your basics are strong, you would have actually cruised through completely. Are you done?
Almost. Last 3 days.
Hmm. You sit next to Anshuman in class, Siddharth?
We are different.
We are different. Whom do you sit with?
Guruji,
So when you are sitting with Guruji, ensure that you ask him questions.
I asked,
Yeah,
he explained.
he explains. Yes. Okay. When you sit with good students, you should take their help to become a better
But
person.
they split up.
Sorry?
They split.
What split?
Let's see.
Single bench.
That's okay. But don't sit with somebody who will make fun, who will enjoy, and you both are you are equally distracted. By the way. So what about you? Whom do you sit with?
Shubham,
Is it a good choice to be?
Equally this.
Yeah. Okay. Are you done with this side?
Almost.
So please choose your neighbors wisely this time. Tell madam.
Mamunchi.
Sorry.
Mamunchi.
Yeah, but at least you can. You don't talk to them too much. You please solve what madam is doing. Okay.
He talks a lot. Super. And behind she'll keep talking.
Who's there behind? That is another thing.
Some girls.
Who's there?
Which girl?
Were like,
You weren't talking to a girl, but which girl?
Okay. Finish. You can fight on your way back. So Anisha, I hope you are getting it. Okay. So Siddharth, please start. Huh?
done.
Guys, we need some speed, man. Anshuman, are you there or are you sleeping? Anshuman, if you are paying attention, type a message
You want.
saying that I am there, sir. Come on, fast, fast. Sid, don't waste time. People on the feed are getting bored because they're waiting for you to proceed. Done, right, with this? Just in case you have not noticed, it is something like this. Okay.
I just solved the zero.
Yeah, solve the next one.
You have to solve it.
Sorry.
Just given the product of two integers.
Yeah, the product of two integers is minus 18. The integers are, give it a shot, no? What can they be? You don't even have to come here.
Yeah. Um,
Huh.
the first one.
See, again, I'm telling you, you made a mistake here. Think, think. What could that be? Your LCM looks okay. What about, huh? No, not like that. Keep it minus only. Keep it minus. But see, when, see, this minus sign is going to be with everything that comes here.
Minus into minus plus.
No, no, no. See, whenever you can do this, right? Always put a bracket because this minus is with everybody inside this. Understood, na?
Plus or minus?
Whatever this
Okay,
guy was.
minus into
Later on you do. Okay. See, these are the mistakes. These are unforgiving mistakes. You cannot be forgiven.
Now I'll remove the bracket.
Yeah, do it. First one. Huh? So Ananya is solving the D subpart and sorry, wait, 1 second. Is the answer correct? She is saying it's D1. Why not? Sorry, she is saying D subpart. The answer is 1. Correct? Why not the second? Yeah, is equal to 1. Continue. Don't waste time. Continue.
Is this correct?
Of course, it is
Over
correct.
here. Plus.
You tell me, what is this?
X square. 5x.
Plus 5x. Tell me the
After
sign.
that sign, I'm
Wait.
sorry. Minus 3x. Then minus 50.
That's all. See, this is the technique. You don't have to worry. If you do this, you'll know it.
Is it because it's written or 6 and 3, so it's going to be 18, not minus 18?
So minus 6 into minus 3 is 18. So this option is not correct. Third part.
Think it. 9 and 3, that will be 18, but not minus.
Okay. Fourth one.
It's not given.
Okay. 1 and 18 is not going to work. Okay. So option is all right. So now this is fine. Tell me how you are going to solve the second problem. You don't have to solve. Now I want your thought process.
Something is wrong.
Wait. Why something is wrong?
Plus x minus x.
Which is correct?
Plus 5 plus.
Correct.
No, how will it?
Is equal to 1. LCM. I mean, not LCM. You just bring this guy to the other side. Yes?
Oh.
Correct. No, there is nothing more to do. You can do it. How will this go? Multiply. If I multiply this on both the sides, naturally this will cancel. This will come here. Yeah, bring everything on one side, 0 on the other side. So how are you going to do this?
We're going to take x square as y.
X square as y. Okay, good. So second question, anyway, you saw that as a part of the solution. Okay, what about the third problem? Guys, now start thinking of how you are going to solve the,
Same thing.
okay, fourth problem.
We're going to open
Think logically. Think, observe and think, okay?
Is this correct? I bought this over here.
Wait. See, instead of making all so many factors negative, why don't you just bring this guy to the other side? That is simple, no? You understand what I'm saying? See, either I can take everybody there and put a 0 here, or I can bring this guy here, put a 0 here. Same story. Huh? (4.1). How are you going to solve?
how we're going to cross multiply.
No, think cleverly. Substitute y, but what will you substitute y? Nothing is going to do, man. Come,
Came near my ears.
doesn't matter. Is equal to 0. Where is your football?
Then
Is equal to 0. Yeah.
Are we going to multiply everything with
What if you do x square minus x is equal to y? Then what will happen?
Oh yeah, that's common.
So what it will be? It will look like
Y square is y, is 4 is equal to
y square plus 5y
yeah, 5y
plus 4 is equal to 0. Then you solve it, you will get y. Then you have to write that as
x plus 9.
what will we do?
you. Arey Baba, add this, no? Minus 15 minus 8. So you will get y, the value of y. Once you get the value of y, you have to say y, but y is equal to x square minus x. Let's say y is equal to 10. So x square minus x is equal to 10. Solve that quadratic equation. No, you understood, right? No, x square plus 2x minus 23 is equal to 0. Okay. So now what do we do? See, there are 4 options here. X is equal to minus 5. X cannot be equal to minus 5. Why? Let's say. What will happen if x is equal to minus 5 here? Ananya, you also. What will happen if x is equal to minus 5 here in this?
The sign.
What will happen to this if x is minus 5?
When you take LCMs,
No. What will happen if I just put x is equal to minus 5?
minus 5 plus 5, 0.
1 by 0 not defined. So x cannot be minus 5. So first option is not there. Second option, x is equal to 3. If x is equal to 3, this will be undefined. You're getting it? 1 by 0 it will be. Answer it. That cannot be. Now third thing, x is not equal to 5 and x is equal to not equal to minus 5 is actually correct. And fourth option, x greater than 3 and x is less than 5 is something that I am thinking I cannot deny or confirm it though, but the 3 seems to be the right answer. Now in this case, can you do the middle term split with 23? You cannot actually.
Oh, yeah.
23, no? Tell me which two numbers when you multiply will become minus 23. 1 and 23 and nothing else.
46 divided by 2.
Not division, only multiplication.
Then you can. It'll
Done.
be decimal.
Yeah, I mean, of course, integer values are only 1 and 23. So that's the thing. So 1 second. Yeah, and see, in this case, your x value is an imaginary value. By the way, root is imaginary. Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. A is equal to 1, b is equal to 2, c is equal to
23. Minus 20.
So b square minus 4ac is equal to what? 4 minus 4. A is 1. C is minus 23. No, it is not. Is it imaginary?
No.
How?
It will be the
4.
unequal. This
Yeah, correct. 4 plus 123 into 4.
123.
Sorry, 23 into 4. 92.
Into 290.
96. Okay.
90.
So, yeah, find out.
92.
92 plus 4. So, minus b plus minus square root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. Okay. The third answer is confirmed, but I just want to see 4. So, anyway, I did this, right? So, why should I do? Square root of 96 by 2a is equal to 2. So, this is how it is. 8 20. Yeah. So, this would be like minus 2 plus minus square root of 24 into 4 by 2. So what will this be? 2 root 24 by 2 is equal to minus 1 plus minus 24, right?
Okay.
So square root of 24 will be approximately what?
4.9. 4.9.
Okay, 4 point something, very close to 5. So minus 1 minus 5 minus 6.
Will be between 4 and.
Yeah, I just want to see. Yeah, it is not less than 5. It is slightly less than 5, right?
Yes.
Where is it? Less than 5 and greater than 3. Between 3 and 5, no. Clearly, it is not lying between the 3
So
and.
option.
Yeah. So, see, I don't think all these things may be necessary, but I'm just telling you, right? You should know. Okay, all right. How will you solve the next problem? Guys, second problem. Come on, come on, come on, sit. Ananya, you can do the gardening later. They need a gardener. Would you like to help? Okay, I'll tell auntie. But you'll have to come in the evening, 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock, and okay, sit.
That also.
So, Anisha, I hope things are clear. Okay. All right. So, yeah. Sid, 4.2. Just tell me how you are going to solve it.
What is 4.9?
Look into the textbook. Second subpart, yeah. See, at this point of time, we have finished the chapter. And looking at the problem, you should have some thought process on how you are going to solve. So, can you tell me how you are going to do it? Anshuman, do you know how to solve problem 4.2?
First we'll remove bracket.
No, that's the mistake one should not do. Substitute. Madam.
Oh.
Yeah.
X
So, Ananya,
minus
fifth one, fifth 5.1. Huh.
x square minus 3x. We'll keep it y.
Okay, so y square minus 16x minus 36 is equal to 0. Let's say you solve the quadratic, you get y. Then what will you do?
Then we'll substitute with x square.
Only x square.
That whole.
Okay, and then again that is another quadratic, you will solve that also. Yes,
How much marks will be?
maybe 4. That's fine. So, Ananya, 5.1. Guys, I hope you got. All right, Ananya, 5.1. 5.2. No, what will you do? No, no cross multiplication. You tell me. Think how you can substitute. Can you dictate square root of? Let this be y. So if this is y, then the second part will be a. Please don't give answers whatever comes to your mind. See, you need to think a little bit, child. You just cannot say, you will say y square, then I'll say no, it is wrong. Then you'll say y cube. Then I'll say it is wrong. Then you'll say, okay, it is y raised to square root of I will say. You can't give this kind of answers, no? See, it's not good. Okay. Yeah. No. So yeah, Ananya, tell me. Sorry. What is the second part? It is this, right? If this is y, what will be this? No. How can this be x? See, x is already inside. See, think and tell me. It should be in terms of y. Don't do this. Think and tell. What do you think it will be?
What should we do?
If this is y, what will be this? See the pattern. See, there is something similar, right?
1/1.
How? Now, though that answer is right, I'm inclined to ask you.
Because
Huh.
so that will be 1 y by 1.
Okay. Yes, you're correct.
X minus 3 by x.
It is just the reverse. So this will also be reverse. 1 by y. Is it y square? Why did you say it is y square? You know, okay, TK, if this is y, what is y square? You tell me. Let
X
so that
by
you,
x minus x.
sorry?
X by x.
Yes. If this is y, and if something is y square, it will be squaring both the sets. It will be x by x minus 3. Square and square root cancel out each other. So square root of 25, the whole square is what?
5.
This is 5. Inside the bracket, it will be 5. Correct? No. Now,
5.
inside the bracket, it is 5. So 5 square is? No, don't look at my face. So this and this cancelled out each other. So whatever is there inside, see, this is the way you should think. Okay, all right. So you substitute that and you get the answer in y, then you substitute. Okay, so all are same. So it's sixth one. How are you going to do it? Guys, the sixth problem, do you know how to solve it? Seventh one.
X plus 1 by x will make it y.
Okay, x plus 1 by x, you will make it y.
Then 9y square minus 9y.
No,
It is equal to 0.
wait 1 second. 6, okay, so 9, it would be?
9y square.
No, that's the mistake you are
X
making.
plus 1 by x is y. So
Yeah, and then you, let's say you square both the sides, what will you get? Ananya, what will you get here if I open a plus b the whole square?
X square is 2 bracket x.
Okay, very good.
In bracket x1 is 1 by x. And 1 by x.
This is what it is. Said this is the real expansion. Now, taking it forward, it becomes x square plus 2 plus 1 by x square is equal to y square. Do you understand
we
this?
can write x square plus 1 by x square plus 2.
Yeah, plus 1 by x square. Instead of that, I can substitute as y square minus 2. That is what you're supposed to do. Right, Ananya? She's in another world. You're getting this? Can you read the sixth problem? Hmm?
9 bracket x1 is 1 by
So what is x square plus 1 by x square? Is nothing but y square minus 2. So how are you going to do the seventh problem?
Isn't this the 7th one?
No, sixth one. Oh, it is seventh one?
No, sixth one, but you wrote it.
Yes. Sixth one, I wrote it 7. How will you do the seventh problem? Just tell me the first few steps and then it is fine.
We're going to assume x square plus 1 by x square will be 5.
No, no, bad move. Take 1 by
X plus 1 by x
x plus 1 by x is equal to y, okay? Then
then
that I know, but what about there is something called as 1 x square plus 1 by x square? That will be what?
1 by y or else y square.
See, this is all gambling.
Y square.
It is not y square, wait. Seventh problem, right? So x square plus 1 by x square. Is it y square? No. See, y square is x plus 1 by x, the whole square. Then we open x square plus 1 by x square plus 2, this into this. So they cancel out. So you will be left with only 2. So that is y square. So y square minus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 by x square. This you substitute in that problem. Correct.
This
You
honey bee
understood, right?
likes me.
You understood that, right? Because all these are going to be homework. You can solve. Okay. So that's fine. Eighth one, you have to take x. Eighth one, what will you do, guys?
This honey bee likes me.
I know, I know.
Minus 1 by x and y.
And then yeah,
Square plus 1 by x square. Right. Square minus
not every time it will be that way. See, you do it, no?
y square.
Wait. See, y square is equal to x minus, sorry, 1 by x, correct? Y square is equal to x minus 1 by x, the whole square, x square minus 2 plus 1 by x square. So y square plus 2 is equal to x square plus 1 by x square. So that this you substitute, get the answer and then you do, okay? Tenth problem, how are you going to do? Said, 10th problem.
Same.
Same thing means exactly what? What will you take as y and what will be the expression?
X by x plus 2 is equal to y.
Sorry? Okay, let.
X by x plus 2 be y.
Okay, so what will this become?
So y square minus 7 y plus 12 is equal to 0.
Why have they taken x is not equal to minus 2? What will happen if x becomes 2, minus 2?
Minus 2 plus 2 0. It will be undifferent.
Okay, good. 11th problem, Ananya. What should we do?
Here minus 1 by x plus 1 to be assumed as y. And then the other x plus 3 by 2x minus 1 by
1 by y, okay. So it will be 2y minus 3 by y is equal to 5. Take LCM, solve. Okay. I think guys, we are done with this chapter.
3 to the 5.
Okay. All right, guys. So it's a 5 minutes break.
Will you keep class for batch by the evening?
I'm not sure. Evening, I can't keep it after 4 because Madhav is not there. So many constraints, you know. So, guys, we are moving on to the next chapter
With the 5 minutes break.
after the 5 minutes break is over. I think already 2 minutes are over. So, 3 more minutes.
It started at 9:30.
Guys, do you know how to divide? Okay. You enjoy your break with the honeybee. What is the time?
40. Till 9:18 the break will take.
Sananya, where is your 10 minutes formula writing paper? Gone. 2 days, wrote and then gone. So, Anisha and Anshuman, are you writing formula every day in the morning? Is it done?
Still 36.
Hmm. Hmm. Guys, shall we begin?
Yes.
Okay. Formula book. Ananya, rise and shine. Can you divide this?
Yes.
Please come.
That
I don't want in decimal. Do the proper division, show the remainder.
I forgot it.
That's fine. 2 5s are.
And I
Yeah, next one is coming to you.
think easy.
Okay. So now show me which is the quotient, which is the remainder, which is the divisor, which is the dividend. Not needed. That's what I'm saying. I don't need the decimal. I just need the remainder. Okay.
That is there.
Okay. Yeah. So show me, right, one arrow, say remainder.
This is remainder.
Okay, very good. Show me the quotient,
This is quotient.
right? Show me the divisor. Show me the dividend.
Divisor.
DIVISOR. Dividend. DIVI, yes. DIVI. DEND. D. Same as in your shares and dividend. Okay. So now, can I say this is the truth? Do you understand? Ananya, is very important. Very easy chapter. 4 marks straight away you will get. Is this understood?
2 into 5 plus 11.
Correct, no? This into this plus this will give you 11.
Is this 100%?
Sorry?
Is this 100% working?
It will always work. It will always work. Now you may tell me that no, this is not working. I mean, okay, one important thing here. It will work always. There is one more point I want to make is what can you say about remainder and divisor? Will they be equal? Will one be greater than other? What do you think?
There,
Think and tell. Okay, no random answers. No random answers. Okay.
why
You think, you take time.
will be
You
greater.
always. Why? Naturally, no, I have to ask you why. Because I am thinking it's still a jugadu answer.
Because can I explain my number?
In your own words only, I'm asking you. I'm not asking you in mathematicians' words.
Basically, we're gonna find like a number
Okay.
to reduce the dividend.
Yes.
So the remainder will be the reduced.
Yes. So it will always be less than the divisor. Correct? Okay. Fine. Now, do you know how to? No, this is the case in the, if you are dividing numbers. That is the case, guys. Okay. Now what if, let's say you divide this, okay? Sid, now do you have the courage to come and solve this? Ananya, don't hide your face. Come.
No.
Have you tried this division? Sorry? Now that is my problem. I have to teach you this. So you see, what should we do? How do you think we should proceed with this? Tell me something. Okay, this is x here and this is x square. What should I multiply x with so that I get x square?
X into X square.
Yes? Okay, let's do it this way. X. So x into x, x square. Minus 2 into x is
Minus 2X.
very good. All right. What is the sign here?
Plus.
Put minus. What is the sign here?
Minus.
Put plus here.
Ulta.
Yeah, I have to devise some my own methods, to teach you. Like that Kung Fu Panda, Shifu has to devise methods to teach the Kung Fu Panda first, right? That way I'm devising. I'll tell you why this is the case, but yeah, I have to do something. So x square, now the sign of this guy is this. It is not this. X square minus x square is
0.
cancelled, okay? Minus 5x plus 2x is
3X. Minus 3X.
done. Okay, this is fine. Now bring the next guy down. Which is the next guy?
8. Minus 8.
Plus 8.
Plus 8. Just whatever is there, you bring this
It
guy.
will become Ulta.
Wait, sorry?
It will become Ulta.
Only here. While subtracting, this is the original value, no? When I do the same thing, then it will become ulta, but not for this guy, the bottom guy, whatever comes. Now, what should I multiply x with so that I get minus 3x?
3. Minus.
Minus 3, you agree? Minus 3. So, x into minus 3 is minus 3x. Minus 2 into minus 3 is,
6.
Plus 6.
sorry?
Plus 6.
Okay, always tell me the sign also. So, what will be the sign here?
Plus.
What will be the sign here?
Minus.
Full cancel.
What? This guy gone? What about this 8 minus 6?
2.
Remainder is 2. This is polynomial division, which you should have learnt in 8th and 9th standard.
We didn't teach.
They taught you. She was talking with, who was the guy next door?
Sugar.
Shubhan. She was talking with Shubhan and you are playing with Anshuman. Okay, so all right. So now, in this case, let f of x is equal to x square minus 5x plus 6. Okay, f of x and a polynomial in x, let me define it this way. Okay, all right. Now, can I say f of x is equal to, this is the dividend. Remember that formula? Inside wala dividend. What is this?
Divisor.
X minus 2. What is the quotient?
X minus
Plus remainder is what?
2.
You understood this? You guys got this?
Plus
Nothing. I just copied whatever is there. In this case, I just put it there.
will take time to understand.
There is nothing to understand. This into this plus this is equal to this. You understood?
In this,
But
Huh. Yes,
even
please.
one of the methods we can use,
One of the
methods we can use,
means I did not understand.
because it says quotient
Yes.
So, like to find the dividend, why should we do that method when we can even do this? But we need to do this to find the question and remember. You know?
Yes, see there is no variable x. Here there is a variable x. Those are pure numbers that you have already done in second, third standard. That's why I started with that and told you that divisor is greater than remainder. In this case, there is something else which I have to tell you. Does that answer your question or no? No, maybe you can try once again because I want it to be very clear.
In this chapter, will we use this division or later?
Yeah, see, this division is also there at the later part. I think B exercise you have to do this division. And this is easy, honestly, you got it, right? There is no problem. What is the problem here? I don't understand. You understood this entire division.
I have doubts on it.
Okay, tell. What are those doubts? Let's clear those doubts. Let's not live with those doubts.
X minus 2.
X minus 2, okay.
That x into x, x square.
Very good.
Then x. Then that minus 5x. How will we should put it up?
Minus 5x is the part of the divisor. Sorry, dividend. It is a problem. They have given us divide this with this. What do I do? I wrote that.
Okay, and this.
That is a problem. Divide this entire thing by this.
And why will we make the sign opposite?
Okay. Why will we make the sign opposite? Is because in reality, what exactly this is this minus this it is actually. So it is x square minus 5x minus this entire thing. It is that's how it is. So if I am doing x square minus 5x minus x square plus 2x, that is what I am achieving. Just subtracting. So if I do minus plus, it will all become gadbad here. That's why I have to do it here and say this is the new sign x minus x square minus 5 plus 2. That way. Understood, right? You understood? Okay, so this is fine, I guess. And in this case,
So, to do the second method of dividend instead of divisor into, we should do the first method, right? The normal.
this is they both are the same methods. This is not the first method and the second method.
But then the dividend, we need to find the quotient and the remainder, right? So we need to do this.
Yeah, yes, you need to find out when there is a x given, you need to do. But in this chapter, it is all about remainders only. There is no quotient required.
But then for this thing we need remainder and quotient, so we need to do this method. So what's the use of doing that method when we already got the answer in this method? Again,
You are able to understand? Please explain. No, I want to answer your question. Yeah, please come, please come.
so basically for this,
This is the universal thing. This formula is also applicable here.
yeah, but then for that we need to find the quotient and remainder.
Yes,
So we have to do this method. So why should we use this method when we're getting answer? We're getting all the answer here. So we're getting the remainder, we're getting the quotient.
it is actually the same method.
How?
Yeah, but it is like this. But
Here also it is like this. See, quotient. See,
how will we find the quotient and the remainder? We need to do this.
if it is in x, you will have to do. It is actually the same method. See, this is divisor. See, this is quotient. This is remainder, and this is dividend. Just that those are pure numbers. Here there are some variables. Eventually, this is what that is. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder.
But we should find it.
Yes, because if we're doing with the pure numbers also, we need to find what's remainder.
Yeah, I mean, we need not do this method.
Then how will we find this?
Yeah, that's exactly what I'm coming to. That is a remainder theorem. But for section B, you will need to do some amount of division and then use the remainder theorem. We'll come to that.
How many exercises?
2 exercises, small chapter. Now, in this case, Divisor was less than remainder.
Fine.
What is the time?
30.
33 only, no? In this case, divisor is less than remainder. What do you think would be in this case? What do you think? Here, the divisor was less, no? Sorry, divisor was greater than remainder. This was always greater than this. What do you think will be in this case? Here it is x minus 2, there it is a number.
Divisor is greater.
How do you know that?
X minus 2 is greater than 2.
Nothing like that. The thing is, in this case,
Wait, x is equal to
x is not equal to 2.
x minus 2 is equal to 0.
You will confuse yourself, you will confuse her, and I may be also confused a little bit because of your, all this. Okay, fine. All right. So in this case, right, one thing is sure, if it is x minus 2, the power of the power of x in the remainder will be at least 1 less than the power of x in the divisor. So for example, if I am dividing something with x square plus something, let's say p, your remainder will not be having x square at all. It will be either x plus c or just a pure number. You understood that? The degree will be lesser than that of the divisor. So degree of remainder will be less than degree of divisor. So degree here is 1, x raised to 1, no? So here it cannot be x raised to 1, it has to be less than x raised to 1. So it will be a pure number, like in this case. You're getting what I'm saying? Right in the formula book. It's going on the top. What you did not understand?
From degree of
Sorry?
remainder. Degree of remainder.
What is the degree of x minus 2? Sorry? That's the problem. See, you have a polynomial. Okay. What is the degree of this? X square plus y. What is the highest power? Square, 2, right? Degree is 2. What is the power of, what is the degree of this?
1.
2. X raised to 1, y raised to 1, 1 plus 1, 2. What about this? Xy square degree?
3.
Correct. 1 is ka, 2 is ka, 3. Okay. What about this? X square plus x cube plus x cube y.
9.
You don't have to add. You have find out one term which has the highest degree, and that is the degree of the polynomial.
4.
You understood that?
Is it 4?
It is 4. Which is the one which has the highest degree? Here it is 2, here it is 3, here it is 4. X cube is 3, no? Here it is 3 and 1, 4. So degree is 4, correct? In this case, what is the degree?
2.
How? It is x minus 2.
2. 2 to the power 1 is will be
No, no, it's not a variable. Leave it.
will be applied only to variable. So 1.
1. So if degree is 1, what do you think will be the degree of, what should be the degree of the remainder?
Lesser than 1.
So
0.
degree should be 0 means it should will be some pure number. Yes, no. That's what we are getting. So degree of this guy. So if it was x square here, what do you think would have been a possible values here? Give an example. If that was x square minus 2, do you think x plus 1 was possible here?
Yes.
Correct, no, because degree is 1 here. There it is, degree is 2. 2, you could have also got 2 also. There is no problem because degree is, in this case, is less than x square. You're getting this point. This is, I think, 8th or 9th standard polynomials. I had xeroxed it and given it to you. You have thrown it in Raddi.
No, I haven't.
Have you looked at it?
Oh, you gave us that.
It's where in the Radhi shop?
I kept it.
Or you eating chana? Or you are eating bhel at home by watching IPL matches? So this is the story, guys. Okay, one more thing we will do, and then we'll solve a couple of problems. Okay, start writing, please. Formula book. So just solve this, then I'll tell you. You don't have to divide this all the way to get the remainder. There is a easy way out. Oh, sorry. So guys on the feed, are you able to understand? Anshuman, are you there? Type yes, I am there.
You want? If he writes that when he comes, I'll give him 10 minutes. Right.
Only one watching, so there is no point.
Alisha left.
Yeah, maybe. What is the time now? Yeah, he's saying I am there.
Oh,
You have to give him 10 bucks. So Anshuman, collect 10 rupees from Siddharth because he was betting that you won't be there. All right. So guys, write fast. Don't waste time. Are you done with that? Oh, okay, fine. Oh, are you done? This side only, huh? Oh my god. Sid, write fast, man. So Ananya, you understood whatever we have been doing since morning? Okay. All right. So look here. So can I write is this right? Is this correct? See, x minus 2 is the divisor. Quotient, whatever let it be. I'm not worried. I know this is f of x and remainder is whatever I get. So, sit 1 minute, wait, don't write. Is this okay? Now, if x is equal to 2, sit, if I put x is equal to 2, what will happen to this?
2 minus 2 0.
So, this entire thing will become 0. So, implies f of 2 is equal to remainder. So you don't have to do all this division. If you are dividing with by x minus 2, to find the remainder, I just put x is equal to 2 in this entire thing, and whatever the answer is my remainder. This is the remainder theorem. Did you understand or you did not?
Repeat.
Did you understand this? I did nothing. I just wrote f of x, that is the divisor,
Yes.
is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. This is the universal truth. Now, if I put x is equal to 2, this entire thing becomes 0. X becomes 2, so f of 2 will be equal to remainder. So I don't have to make this entire process of dividing. If I can just say that to find the remainder of, when I divide this with this, the remainder is just put x is equal to 2 in this and get the answer.
If you put some other number,
You will not get, na? How will
then
you do?
how are we putting 2?
Because of this. If I put x is equal to 2, this is 0. So f of 2 is equal to remainder. But simple stuff.
Okay,
Makes sense, right? Ananya, does it make sense for you? Can you explain?
So, when I take effects, taxes,
F of x, okay, that is a divisor. Sorry, dividend is nothing but quotient into divisor plus remainder, universal truth. Okay, now explain.
then we're gonna take x minus 2 this side,
Which side?
the left side.
Are we taking left x minus 2 to the left side? No, we are not doing anything like that. This is the formula. If I put x is equal to 2 in this, what will happen to this?
So then x into 2 that.
If x is equal to 2, if I put x is equal to 2 in this entire thing will become, this will become x is equal to 2. Then what will this become? Yes, 0 into quotient will become 0 into quotient, 0 into any number. So this entire thing is 0. So f of 2, because I put x is equal to 2, f of 2 is equal to remainder. That is the remainder theorem. Sorry?
0 plus remainder.
0 plus remainder is 0 plus remainder plus 0 plus remainder plus 0 plus remainder. If you are satisfied that way, is equal to remainder. You understood, right? So can you write this and then write the remainder theorem, page number. Now that is important, guys. Remainder theorem definition, please write down. Ananya, can you write, please? Just move. Finish this and write the remainder theorem from the textbook. Page number is 102. So idea will be more clear as you solve more problems, but this is a easy chapter, low hanging fruit. You should pluck it. You wrote this side, this part? Okay. So we study quadratic equations and we'll do only quadratic equations in the evening, okay?
Don't call it.
He may come. He is going to be a senior. You are going to ask him a lot of questions. Are you done with that? Write down the definition, one or two, I think.
One in bold letters.
Yes, yes, that's the one.
Which page number?
102.
Should I write the example too?
Don't write the example, just the bold one. Yeah, write down the example. Yeah, just one line, right? Okay. All right. So you wrote down the fact. Are you done with this, Sid? This side? Okay. So now let's study one more theorem and we are done with this chapter on the conceptual level. Okay. Factor theorem. Okay. One second. Can I say this? Sid, let x minus a be a factor of f of x. Without loss of continuity, if f of x is a, sorry, if x minus a is a factor of f of x, which means x minus a divides f of x completely. Will there be any remainder?
X minus a by f of x.
X minus a divides f of x, something like this. F of x, x minus a, you let's say you divide like the earlier we did, and then we divide, what will be the final remainder? Is a factor. Factor means it divides this guy completely. If it divides completely, what will be the remainder? That's a nice try. I mean, whenever you ask, you act as if you are sneezing.
A.
No, allergic to what? Siddharth? Then nothing can be done. He is another student. I can't ask him to not come. All right. So if you divide this with this, you will get some remainder. Yes or no?
Yes. Okay.
But if it is a factor, the remainder will be 0. It divides completely. No, if some number divides some number completely, naturally the remainder is 0. Hard to digest. If 70 is being divided completely by 7, what is the remainder?
10.
Remainder, not the
0.
quotient. So x minus a divides this guy completely. So remainder should be 0.
Perfect. Okay. Now I get it.
You're getting? No. See, if x minus a is a factor of f of x, f of x is some polynomial, a big polynomial. Okay, let me rub this. Okay, I am claiming example x minus 2 is a factor of x square minus 4. So if I divide, will I get a remainder? What will I get? Shall we divide? Start. Let's start. What should I do?
X into X.
X into x square
Yes.
hmm?
Minus 2.
minus 2x. Okay. Now, 1 second. Let me write this a little bit further. Okay, this is fine. All right. What sign will be here? This is plus, so minus. What is this?
Plus.
So you are plus. Gone. What will be this? 0 plus 2x. 2x. Yes. Minus 4. Now what should I do? Next round.
Into 2. X minus 2 into
Plus 2. X plus 2, 2x. Minus 2 plus 2 is
Minus
sign here.
minus
Sign here. Minus 4 plus 4, 0. Remainder,
0.
if x minus 2 is a factor of this, when you divide this guy with this, you get a remainder 0. Factor का मतलब ही वो है. When you divide, it will be completely divisible. No remainder. Sorry?
Of real number.
Real numbers, no? There is no problem, no? Tell me a factor of 81. Any factor?
9.
So 9, 9s are 81, remainder 0.
Like this.
Like this. Same.
More bits.
With variables.
81 by 3.
Again, 27, remainder 0. Quotient is 27, remainder 0. You're getting it? You are finding it difficult, right? I'll tell you one thing, don't sleep at 2. It reduces your immunity. Okay? Alright. So I won't trouble you more. So by remainder theorem, if this is the case, right? It should be, but we already know that it is a factor. So remainder is 0. So f of a should be equal to 0. You're getting? X minus a is a factor of f of x. By remainder theorem, f of a will be equal to r, but r is 0 because of it is a complete factor. So f of a should be 0. Remainder theorem, write down the definition.
Okay, process.
Process. Write this example if you want. This is a good example. You're done? Sure. Very important. You should did this. Please do. You got it, Sid? You wrote it? Wrote this? Okay. Hello, Chodo. So I'm going to ask you in the evening quadratic equation and this chapter, whatever you have done. Okay, you should be able to explain. You can pack your books, but I am going to spend another 2 more minutes showing you a few more things. Okay. So what is the time, guys? Now?
37.
Yeah, we still have about 20 minutes, no?
3 minutes.
We started 15 minutes late and Anshuman joined half an hour late. You're done with this side?
No.
You started with that? Okay.
I'm done with this.
This side you're done? You're comfortable with this division because this is going to be important for higher powers of x. Okay. So when I divide, what will be the remainder? Use the remainder theorem. You understood, right? Don't have to divide. This entire thing has to be divided by this. Some remainder will come. What is that remainder? Ananya, what do you think?
0.
It is not a factor. We don't know. So remainder is equal to f of minus 3.
X minus
X, this is x plus 3. So if I put x is equal to minus 3, this becomes 0. You remember that, right? So substitute the value here, you will get that formula. F of x is equal to quotient into x plus 3 plus remainder, quotient into divisor plus remainder. If I put minus 3, this entire thing goes away. F minus 3 is equal to r.
will be 0.
What 0?
Down.
No, we don't know.
How much time will we take to solve it?
Minus 3 substitute, no, in this case 6 minus 3 cube minus 3 minus 3 square plus 8 minus 3 minus 5. Substitute. Yes or no?
6 minus 27.
No. You got it, right? That's all. So that way we will do. Okay, this is how we are going to solve. Alright? Okay, guys. It's done. Guys, today's session is done. Anisha and Anshuman.
What time?
Tomorrow I will let you know the time. But see, if we do it starting at 9, we can't sit here. Slowly the sun comes here, it gets very hot. So your choice. If it is 8 to 10, we can be here. If it is 9 to 11, we have to be inside right from the beginning. So, birthday girl, what is it? Inside, huh? Okay, we'll do it inside 9 to 11. Okay, fine, guys. So, guys, from tomorrow onwards, it's going to be 9 to 11 instead of 8 to 10.
What
All right.
about batch 2?
Sorry,
What about batch?
we'll have to move them accordingly, right? 11 to 1. It's hard for me to adjust everybody. Okay, guys, chalo, bye. Have a good day. I'm closing the feed. Yeah, bye. Evening 5 o'clock. Quadratic equations and remainder theorem. Okay.